Okay, this is a demonstration on how to use the House Hunter app. So when you follow the link that will be provided in your email, click on login, put in your email address, your password, you can save your password if you want, you don't have to. Okay, and this comes up with a list of houses in our tax database. It's all sorted by parcel number. And we have the parcel number, location, land value, improvement value, year sold, bid, number of images we saved for this parcel, and the notes. All right. So if you click on one of these, you click on this pencil here, brings you up a form. You can add images. See the image here. I need to put something on here to be able to zoom in on the image. I haven't done that yet, but right now you can see that an image has been added to this file, and we have the condition fair, and we can edit this. This is just a text field. You can put whatever you want in there. I'm just using this convention where we type in like a key phrase, a colon, and then the result. If we have condition fair, we also have condition colon empty lot. Click on one of those that you can see. Condition colon empty lot. We can put whatever we want in here. And like if I was going to, let's say we separate things by a comma. So let's say we have a status bid. That would be if we had bid on this house, which we have not yet, so I'm not going to do that. But that's how we'll keep up with this notes field. You could put anything in here. I'm just using this convention to make it easier to work with later. Okay, so all of these I've already done. I've already put an image on it and put the condition based on what I could see of the house. Let's get to some that have not been done yet. So here, these where we have image counts, we don't have any condition on it. So I'll click the pencil, brings up, and again, I need to change this so I can zoom in on this image. But I can see, and I know this one is in decent condition because I remember looking at it before. So I'm just going to say condition fair and save. And this is 413 Thomas Street. We've updated the record. This particular program doesn't automatically show it down here yet. If you reload the page, then you will see that for that, well, it reloaded everything. Condition fair there. One thing I need to change on this is so that when you reload the pages, always take you back to the beginning so we can stay where we're on. There's definitely some work to be done, but at least it can be used right now. So yeah, we did that one to condition fair. What do we have here? That's another one. I'll say condition fair. That's Maple. 400 Thomas, Warrior, Alabama. Looks like an empty lot. .417 Church Street. All right. I'm not sure what that's. You need to zoom on that. This is a good segue into looking up images, right? So I'm going to go here and just right click and copy. On your tablet, it might work a little bit different, but I'm going to open up a Google Maps link, and to keep from, I want to stay on that same page I'm on. So I'm going to do right click and click on, control and click on Google Maps. It's still left click, but control. That way I open up a Google Maps tab without navigating away from my House Hunter tab. I'm just going to paste this, search, and from here I can't see anything, but if I go in on the zoom in here, it looks like there might be a house there. So I'm going to put this status, this condition, unknown. Okay. This last one here, 2004 Cedar Lane. There's a building there. Let's say condition fair. Save. All right. Go to the next group. If I go back one, let's see if it updates it so we can see everything in here. Yeah. So you don't have to reload it. You can just go forward and back one. Huh. I didn't look at this one here. 308 Thomas Street. Let's see what that one says. Oh, that looks nice. Condition fair. Okay. All right, let's look at this. What we have here now. We've got 2000 Cedar Lane. Click on the pencil. Bring up the edit screen. Nothing here, no pictures, no notes. So, I'm going to copy this. Go over to Google Maps. Paste. And this looks like it's just an empty lot. So I'm not going to bother uploading a picture here. I'm just going to say condition empty lot. At first I was putting in pictures for everything, right? Even ones that were empty lots. But that's before I made the note field so you could get to it. And again, if we go forward and go back, we'll see that's uploaded. That's updated. Updated. Okay, let's see this next one. I'm trying to find one where we have a decent picture that I want to save and add to the database. That looks like, from here, from this angle, it looks like that house might be it, but from the above angle, it looks like it's an empty lot. According to the database, the improvement value is $81,700, so it seems like it should be something on here. I'm going to say condition unknown. We can always come back and check that out if we want to, but it might just be an empty lot. Okay, this one I already uploaded the image for. Let's see what its condition is. Okay, it looks like it's a commercial building. Right. Again, paste this in Google Maps. Yeah, it looks like some type of commercial building. So I'm just going to say condition commercial building. All right. Let's see if I can find another house. Okay. Now this is a good one. So I'm going to right click, click Save Image As. I'm going to give it the same name. I'm just going to paste. That way it has the same name as the address, right? And click Save. And I come back over here. I click on the little camera. Choose File. I think this should be in Pictures. Maybe it's in Downloads. Okay. I'm going to change that to save everything to Pictures, but wherever you had to find it. And now I'm going to upload it. So now it's in there. And I think the condition is good. Condition good. I think I'll save everything as fair until you can go actually look at it. Once we look at it, we can update it to good. Okay. And so go back and forward. Now we see the image that we uploaded and our new condition for there. We click on there again, we can see what we've got. You can filter. We want to search, right? We want to search for a particular property. Oh, one other thing. On the links, we also have like Zillow, right? So if I bring up Zillow, I can paste that same address into Zillow. And then we see what we get. Get some more information. I kind of like this picture better. I think it's the same image. Let me see. No, this is a closer up image. I'm going to save this image as well. I'm going to say so the same name as before, but I just put an image 2 at the end to distinguish it from the other image. I can come back and I can upload this other image. Now we have 2 images for the same property. Right? And we can filter. I'm going to do a filter on notes. This you got equal to or less than or equal to. I'm going to use this as percent, which just means that find anything that has the word fair in it. Click OK. And here, the one we just added, we have an image count 2. And that's the one we were just looking at. So that's everything. Let me know if you have any questions.